It's bad to buy a house in the fall or in the winter. I need to buy a house in the spring. Well, I'm going to reverse that it's good to buy a house in the fall or the winter when there are not other home buyers out there. There's less competition. You're going to have a little bit more room for negotiations. You're going to be able to look things over and think it through a little bit more clear without the hectic hustle and bustle of you've got to get your offer in now because there's 3 other offers on the table. The other thing is, what's better than going through a house on a 20 below day and finding out that there's cold spots in the house, or the heating is very, very even and the temperature is great? What a great way to find out what's going on in the house. Not a bad thing to buy a house when it's raining either. My favorite time to go in. So I know there's a lot of rain in the fall, but we're talking fall, winter. But let's go right into bad weather situations. If it's raining out, you're going to know if that roof leaks or if there's water coming into that basement. So bottom line is, it might be a myth in your own head. It's raining, let's not go house shopping today. You should say, it's bad weather, let's go now.